today I'm going to show you guys how I do my high puff. So this is a old wash and go. So old wash and go. And so I'm going to turn into a high puff because I'm simply not ready to wash my hair yet. So today I'm going to be using, of course, my water bottle I got from Sally's. This right here, Wetline Extreme Gel, okay? This is finna be my new bae, like, for real, what's up? How you doing? Okay? And this is just for my edges, edge booster, style factor, y'all already know. And this bad boy, Shine Gel. I'm gonna try it, see if I like it. If I don't, it's gonna be alright. So, and my mirror is right here. So as y'all can see, my hair needs some moisture. So I'm just gonna spray, 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 spray. So what I did was I'm just gonna spray my hair. I just wanna get it nice and damp. Nice and damp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my gel, correct? Just a little bit. How much is good? Alright, and I'm just going to add it all over. Whatever you wanna be, it could be your fantasy. I'm your baby tonight. I'm just gonna brush up, getting everything nice and smooth. Correcto. Everything to be nice and smooth. And I'm gonna do the back the same way. Take some out. And put it on your curls. And you're gonna brush this forward. Now you see how I'm not touching my actual hair? I'm not touching the curls at all. I'm just brushing it forward. I'm not brushing out the curls or anything like that, because that's not what you want. So now, this is like the easiest style ever. When I first went natural, this is all I used to do. Of course, my puff was not this big because I had short hair. Well, I had shorter hair than this. And so this is the gist of it. And so now you're going to take your hair tie. You want to wrap it around twice. And I got these from Walmart, I believe. They were $5. And then you're gonna shape. Shape, 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 shape. And boom, there you go. But there is more. You cannot forget your edges, okay? I feel like a style is definitely not complete unless I do my edges. Now for you, it might be different. You can do your hair without edges, but I don't feel like my style is complete unless I do some edges. Now you see how your curls are, my curls are still popping because I didn't touch them. I just did the perimeter of the hair. And it's not tight because I only wrapped it around once. but it's also loose enough to stay in place. Does that make sense? So I'm just gonna brush out my edges. Y'all already know this. But I'm gonna try using my Shine Jam to see if it works. So I'm gonna put this back. I couldn't decide. I was like, do I go with Old Faithful or do I try something new? So I'm gonna try something new and see if it works. This is also what I used to braid my hair. It was really sleek, but I didn't use it on my edges. I don't think. Let me get some more. Okay, I mean, it's getting the job done. Okay. And I think this was like $3 at my beauty supply store, I believe. I really don't be doing nothing fancy with my edges. Like, I just do them, and if they look good, they look good. If they don't, oh well. Okay. I'm telling y'all, how long did that take? Like 5 minutes. Like, this is the finished look. You got yourself a little puff for when you don't want to wear your hair down in your wash and go, and you got some cute curls, you know, some cute curls in there. And yeah, super easy, super, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.